In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up remarketing campaigns in Google Ads, providing you with a comprehensive guide to reach your past visitors and enhance your advertising strategy through effective remarketing. Let's dive right in and start from the very beginning by visiting the Google Ads website, a fundamental hub where your audience awaits. By mastering this tool, you can reconnect with those who have previously interacted with your site and potentially transform them into loyal customers. First, head over to the Google Ads homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a user-friendly interface that encourages you to engage and explore its plethora of options. Google Ads serves as your primary platform for managing online advertising, and it's crucial for crafting those personalized campaigns intended to capture the attention of your past site visitors. The next step is to click on Sign In to access your account. If you're already a user, this will be a familiar process, but if you're new, you might need to set up an account, keeping in mind to craft a strong password and verify your details through the provided channels. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Google Ads home, your command center for this journey. Now navigate to the Tools section. This is an essential part of Google Ads as it houses key features that can elevate your marketing strategies. By clicking here, you'll open up a toolkit designed to empower your campaigns with robust data insights and management aids. Moving forward, we'll delve into the Shared Library. This section is particularly handy for those managing multiple ad campaigns or working in teams, as it centralizes important resources and aids in effectively managing your audience. Click on it to reveal more options that facilitate organizing and sharing of audience data. In the Shared Library, select Audience Manager. This tool is essential for creating and managing your audiences across Google's vast network. By utilizing the Audience Manager, you'll have the opportunity to configure and track various segments of your target market, enriching your remarketing efforts. Here, under Audience Manager, you're just a step away from reaching your objective. Locate the option to create a remarketing list. This feature is where you define the parameters of your remarketing strategy, creating specific lists that will allow you to tailor your ads based on the behaviors of your previous site visitors. By completing these steps, you are now equipped to effectively harness the power of Google Ads for remarketing purposes, setting the stage for increased engagement and conversions. As you explore and evolve your campaigns, remember that testing and adjusting your strategies based on performance data will optimize your efforts. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you successfully navigate your remarketing campaigns.